Casper's founder, Yonatan says he's working on something that can overtake Ethereum. Number 2 spot for Casper, Bitcoin Casper. If more and more people with the same mindset, that same goal, speak it into existence, eventually it'll happen. Caspians, if you're tuning in, you're interested, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Watch the video until the end so you don't miss anything. Share the videos with your friends and family. Tune into the live streams. Become a channel member. Let's dive in. It's from CryptoGrad. I have full confidence in hashtag Kaspa is on the path to eventually surpassing Ethereum, and I'm committed to being a part of that journey no matter what. I'm committed to being a part of that journey no matter what. Also, right here, hashtag in Discord. Hashtag is the alias for Yonatan, Casper's founder. Currently, I'm working on something that can overtake Ethereum, so opportunity cost of working full-time Cas is quite high. That is freaking... Talk about some hopium, talk about some making you bullish, talk about making you a moon boy. $10 Cas? $5 to $10 Cas? Man, I don't know what is being worked on, but I know overall it's gonna be insane, man. That's crazy to see. Let me get your thoughts down below, Caspians. Casper news. Important to note that Cas is the product of 10 years plus of research on scaling BTC. The work by Yonatan and Aviv Zohar is cited by current top 10 projects, Cardano, XRP, and countless others in the top 50. Ethereum included. We're coming for that number 2 spot, man. Casper took the time and it did it correctly. Trilemma solved. Master of Coin. Cas is going to take a direction this upcoming week, and I'm very confident that we will see a new all-time high in the range of 8 cents to 10 cents very soon. I said in previous videos that I would expect a 10 to 14 cent Casper by the end of the year. We have so much good news overall with the ETFs and all of these things that are eventually going to be taking place. That's going to be great for the overall market, and Cas with already being so bullish, right? So much going for it, so much innovation, so much great technology, such a strong and base community. It already has the rocket ship. It already is a rocket ship, and with the overall market being bullish, it's just going to be extra fuel to the fire. And right here we also have news of Casper being listed on a new exchange, xt.com, and that is massive. The more exchanges that has Casper listed, the more volume, the better overall for the project, man. The more people that could get access to Cas, the better it is, right? It's only a matter of time until we see the tier 1 listings come in for Cas, man. Cas right now sitting at 0.48 cent, $1 billion in market cap, $8.8 million in 24-hour trade volume. From Jim Skibum, Casper hash rate now well above 40 PHS. So the hash rate going through the roof. New all-time highs just keep happening for the Casper hash rate. And this parabolic moves in the hash rate is rivaling Bitcoin in 2014, man. And we saw what happened as years went by for Bitcoin, right? We could potentially see the same thing take place here for Casper, man. Follow the miners. The miners lead to gold, right? The miners are mining for gold. And if you follow the miners, typically what happens, man, price follows hash rate. Parabolic pump. 10 predictions for the crypto bull run. Total market cap for crypto will hit $5 to $10 trillion in 2025. Cas will enter the top 10 coins, and I really think that's what's going to happen, man. If not, and when we get into the top 10, we may even push for top 2, man. Ethereum, we coming for you. We on the coattails of Ethereum, man. Honestly, I saw some news. Wait, hold on. Let me see if I could pull this news up with Ethereum. Metallic forking Ethereum. Hold on. Let me see if I could pull this up, man. Look at this from Lucid. Vitalik just announced that he's planning on forking Ethereum again to change the consensus mechanism to a more reasonable, to more resemble Cardano's POS liquid staking, proving once again that Cardano is years ahead in development and that competition can't compete with what they offer. So, look at this. Vitalik says transactions should cost less than 5 cents. I agree. It's amazing that Ghost was revived from Ethereum merge planning. In my opinion, Vitalik absolutely needs to consider forking Dagnite for Ethereum consensus because it could be one of the most dramatic game changers. Way too complex to what they do now, I think, for them. Man, that's what I'm saying. Vitalik is thinking of forking Ethereum once again. Once again, right? Ethereum, Dagnite, Ghost Dag, Block Dag technology. We coming for Ethereum, man. We are coming for Ethereum. Crypto Jesus, Casper is the best thing you can own in crypto from both tech and perspective and a financial one. But what happens when smart contracts are launched? What happens when NFTs can be minted? What happens when the blazing L1 speed is used for Web3 gaming? It is so early to cast. It's super early, man. It's extremely early to cast, man. Smart contract, like whenever we get to 10 BPS, whenever we get to 100 BPS, and then we have smart contracts on top of that, it's gonna get crazy. From the official Casper Twitter, our Chinese community is ever active. Major props to Kid Caspian, Lily, daughter of Kaspa Khan, for the cool artwork. So the Casper Chinese community is growing day by day. We have some artwork right here from the Casper Twitter Spaces. 8 p.m. in Beijing time on October 8th. They have a Spaces that is taking place. Friends are welcome to come and listen to the stories in the Casper community during the cold dew season. So China, bullish on Casper, guys. Awesome stuff. From Kaduna, community is everything. Cas holders aren't here for percent gains, not for X's, not for X billion-dollar market cap targets, not for top 10 crypto, not for top 3. This cult-like community wants to flip Ethereum. Number 1, Bitcoin. Number 2, Cas. What price would Cas be at? Let's go to compare market cap real quick. What price would Cas be at, man, with Ethereum's all-time high market cap? Let's take a look, man. Let's dive in, man. Hold on. Yeah, I love Pepe. Yeah, Pepe. I see you, Pepe. But we all on Cas and ETH right now. Let's see. So let's compare, okay? So to meet Ethereum's current all-time high, that puts Casper at $9.30. To meet Ethereum's all-time high of the last bull cycle, that puts Cas at $26.74. That's a 547x. So a 190x to hit Ethereum's current market cap, which is 195 billion market cap, $9.30, and to hit its all-time high market cap, that's $26.74 for Cas. Ethereum, we coming, like, Vitalik is trying to fork Ethereum once again, man. If that's not a sign that that protocol is, now obviously Ethereum is an amazing project. It's Bitcoin, Ethereum all day for sure. But if Vitalik wanted to fork Ethereum once again, isn't a sign that the protocol is having issues? I don't know what else to tell you, man. I don't know what else to tell you guys. From Anta, I can still vividly recall the excitement I felt when I shared Cas at the all-time high of 0087. Fast forward almost a year, and now we're watching it climb just above 5 cents. Back then, I really cherished those sub 1 cent prices, which was where I got into Cas. I'm genuinely looking forward to what next year has in store for Cas's journey. That's crazy, man. All-time high. Imagine selling the all-time high on Cas at 008 thinking, oh yeah, I made some crazy gains. I made some crazy gains. I'm happy. The people at Diamond handed those straight to 5 cents and potentially $5, $10, $20. y'all gonna look like the true legends and superstars, man. That's how you change your life in crypto, by diamond hand. And like, honestly, the people that have made the most wealth in crypto is the people that have held the longest. Like, honestly, that's how you really win, man. Casper chart right now, we're in this range again. We covered it in a previous video where this range looks similar to the February range we saw, where we were just ranging sideways after making a massive cup and handle pattern. This is the cup right here, this is the handle, so we're ranging right here. I do have like lines drawn saying we could retrace back down to 427 cent, maybe 4 cent. But I wouldn't be surprised if we just range in this support level until we see a massive breakout for CAS. So keep an eye on that, man. Again, Vitalik looking to fork Ethereum, right? That's showing signs that the protocol has issues, man. The protocol, not here with GhostDag, not here with Yonatan saying we're working on something that could overtake Ethereum. Caspians, let me get your thoughts. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next one.